Okay, got the new carrier bearing on there. Slide that in, clean that up, that shaft. Slide that in. Bolt that up right there. And then put the other shaft on. I got a mark so I know where to line it up. I got the truck in neutral so I can, you know, roll the shaft if I need to. Got the wheels shocked over there, so. Alright, let's see what we got here. I'll hold this up in my knees. Shimming here. That up. Where's my other socket set? 17. Oh, it's right here. Okay. Snug this up. There's nut on the back side here. Can't see, but that broke free. I don't know if it was from last time or what, so I gotta stick a wrench through here to hold that. So we'll attempt that. So 16 millimeter. Loosen that up a little bit. Clean that off. I'll put a little fresh grease on there. Might as well get the old grease gun here. There. Like that. Like there. I should have got a new boot for this, but it's not tore or nothing. It's got a cheap hose clamp on it. That'll work. I don't know if you can see me. Alright. Slide that on. And then we'll move down to this end. There, I gotta position myself a little better here. Should just go right on. A little heavy here. Alright. Kind of struggling with that a little bit. Alright. Got that on. Now I'll line my marks up here that I made. Get a bolt in here. I guess I could use some thread lock, but I'm not gonna. All right. Gotta go. 15 millimeter somewhere. Wherever you're at. 15. All right. 16. Where that went? Hit a shallow well here somewhere. Yeah, ratchet. All right. Got that in. It's all good. I just gotta tighten this, slide that over the top. tighten that up, and we'll take it for a test drive. Now just pick my tools up, take it for a test drive, and it should be all good to go. I use this PVC. Should have showed you that before, because I didn't have it's 1.5 inch. I put that over the shaft and pound that bearing in there, and that seal sets real nice. I didn't have a piece of pipe, so I just used this PVC. My jaw pullers weren't long enough to pop it out, so I had to grind the bearing off without getting in the shaft, and then pop that off, and it worked out good. But all right, let's take it for a test drive.